Hi everybody, this is Ju from SoJooCars, and today I'm here in Wheels Incorporated Changan. Yes, they have Changan now in their brands. I'm going to be showing you around some of their cars. Well, the entire fleet is here. They have the CS75, which I'm really excited to show you guys around. Before you continue, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also call me, PM me or DM me if you're interested to buy this car and also Hyundai and all the cars they have in Wheels Incorporated. Thank you. This is the 2020 or 2021 Changan CS75 Plus, and this one is in its white color. Now, from the first impression, I think the front grille looks like a Lexus, and the headlight kinda reminds me of a Fortuner, and the big fake air vents, they really look like Lexus. And coming through and looking at the alloy wheel, it looks like the old Lexus or Toyota wheel, like from the Fortuner or one of the LX. Then looking at the door handle, it looks quite premium. And this is the pearl variant. I can see the glittering. And the rear actually looks like a Santa Fe, the outgoing model Santa Fe. But it has all this Z or bird heads design, which looks very nice. Oh, and this one is very nice. We have LED plate number lights, reverse lamps, backup sensors, and we have functional dual exhaust tips and hidden very well. All right, so more horsepower, huh? This is how the lower portion look like. Okay, this is going to be a very quick walk around since I'm going to be doing the detailing or the detailed review very soon. And this car has 360 camera. Most of the lights are LEDs. So it's a combination of paint, black plastic, red painting, chrome, black gloss, and carbon fiber design. So please do let me know in the comment section what you think about this car. And mind you that these are in Hankook tires. And this car also comes with a panoramic sunroof, and it has lots of features. As of now, I'm not really sure of the price. I think that really matters most. And the 18s actually in gunmetal, they look very nice. All right, and the key to this Changan models, like this CS35 and the Adsvin, they all share the same design of the key fob. Now this car comes with a smart keyless entry. So there's a horn. Okay, there's a door that's not closed yet. That's why we cannot close it properly. Could be this one. It could be this one. It could be this one. There you go. Now we can actually lock the door. Yes. And we can actually open the door. All right. Love the interior in red leather with red stitching as well. If you just cover this, like, you wouldn't know it's a China car. But I saw some Chinese characters in the 10.2-inch screen right there. So we have a 7-inch LCD screen here, and we have a 12-point-something inch, 12-inch. Oh, so that's the biggest one so far I've seen in my reviews. 12-inch. All right. Then we have a very nice looking gear shifter. Then gloss finish with drive modes, and this one looks fabulous. Okay, so that's just a very quick preview of this Changan CS75. All right, this is a 5-seater, by the way, and it has 6 airbags. And the feeling when you open and close the door, it's quite nice to the ears. And whoa, wow, this is interesting. Now I wonder how that would look like. It looks like a horn. So this car is like a angry looking car. I've never seen this kind of top mount brake light and in this kind of shape. So the air kind of divides and somehow puts the car down. I guess this is the carbon fiber designed spoiler. Okay. So please do let me know, what do you want to see more about this car? Because I'll be releasing a detailed review on this one very soon. So thank you for watching and may your dreams come true.